Ready to upgrade your setup? Let's count down the top 5 monitors for your next PC build. At number 5, the Dell S2721DGF, 27 inches, super sharp QHD, and a buttery smooth 165 Hz refresh rate. Perfect for gaming and work. Number 4, the LG Ultra Gear 27GP950. It's 4K, has crazy fast response time, and is G-Sync compatible for zero screen tearing. In third place, check out the ASUS ProArt PA278QV. Designers, this one's for you. Amazing color accuracy and tons of ports. Runner-up, Samsung Odyssey G7. It's curved, it's fast, and the colors pop. Immersive for games and movies. And topping the list, the Alienware AW3423DW. Ultra-wide, jaw-dropping QD OLED panel, and 175 Hz refresh rate. Your games and movies look insane. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow for more tech tips.